Hey guys, in this video today I'll be showing you how to do the purple rain simulator using Python. We will be utilizing the module PyGame and random. The requirements for this tutorial are object oriented programming and certain Python basics. If you have them, let's get along and start the video. We start by initializing the PyGame module, then declaring the variable rain and background containing the colors for the raindrop and the background. Then we initialize the screen size for the window of the PyGame. Then we declare the class raindrop. The variable self.x self.y gives the starting position of the raindrop in xy coordinate system. The x coordinate ranges between the width of the window, and the y coordinate starts from minus 1500 to indicate it's falling from the sky or top of the window. The z-axis is used to give the 3D feeling to the user, and that will take a value between 0 to 30. The width is the width of the raindrop, the color is again rain. Window is the PyGame window object which we will declare further in the program. Now to create the 3D feeling for the user, what we use is called the function map, which again I have defined it down here. All it does is the objects near to you should be thicker, wider and faster and longer, whereas the raindrops farther away from you should be slower and smaller, so that the user gets a 3D feeling. So the length of the raindrop should vary from 0 to 20, when the values of z-axis vary from 0 to 30, since we are choosing the z-axis value at random. Then again for the speed too, it's the same. When the speed ranges from 0 to 0.05, the z-axis should vary from 0 to 30. So any value between that will be mapped accordingly. Now the function fall function is used to allow the raindrop to propagate down the window. The value of y goes on increasing according to the speed, and the self.y speed plus equal to 0.025 into self.z-axis divided by 30 is used to give the gravity for the raindrop. When the raindrop reaches to the bottom of the screen, it has to restart from the top with a random value for its speed. That's what I've done in this part of the code. The display function is used to draw the rectangular object, or the raindrop as we know it. The screen function is a short one too, that is used to fill the background with the background color. Now coming to the main function. In the first line I declare the window object, that is our PyGame window. Then I declare an list called rainfall, which is going to store all the raindrops. Raindrops are the objects of the class raindrop. So rainfall is an array of objects that represents rain, since rainfall consists of many raindrops. Now we can keep the number of raindrops as 700. Using the for loop, I populate the rainfall array with all the raindrops. Then running the event loop, which is a while true infinite loop. I quit the window when the user presses the cross mark on the PyGame window. Then I draw each raindrop on the window using the i.display function from the object. Once I draw each of the raindrop, then I display it to the user using the pygame.display.flip. You can use the update function too from pygame.display.update. Then using another for loop, I allow propagation of each of the raindrop from its initial position downwards. Once each of the raindrop has propagated downwards, then I am going to update the display using pygame.display.flip so that the user can see it. To cover up the trails of the raindrop, I use a screened out window so that you only see the final position of the raindrop. Without the screened out window, what it would look like is something like this. As you can see, there are the complete lines of the raindrop. To cover up that, we use the screen window function. Then I call the main function in the end so that all of this happen, and the output is something like this. Feel free around, I mean to play around and add special effects like splashing of rainwater. This is it guys, thank you.